To install the required fasteners for Green Jacket and ReliaGuard products, simply align the flanges and push fastener pins into the pre-drilled holes. Push through completely, ensuring flanges touch and no gaps remain. Some of our guards are designed with clasp-style closures, which means using the supplied fasteners is optional. For all other products, fasteners are needed to secure guards as intended. You can alternate the direction of fasteners if you see added strength is needed to keep guards closed. Check product fit and make the necessary adjustments before drilling for more fasteners. Additional fasteners should be applied where needed to ensure guards close properly and when coupling 2 or more guards together. A 9/32 bit is required when drilling fastener holes. Fastener pins do not work with any other size of hole. Ensure flanges and the existing fastener holes are correctly aligned before drilling new holes. Use spring clamps to hold the flanges together and to keep your fingers out of harm's way. Hold your drill square to the flange to avoid making angled or beveled holes. Holes also need to be centered on the width of the flange. Green Jacket and ReliaGuard products are designed to be removed and reinstalled as needed to allow for equipment maintenance and inspections. Please note that the fastener pins are one-time use and should not be reused. Even if they look to be undamaged after removing, they won't hold in the long term. Use new fasteners when reinstalling guards. Spare fasteners come with all guards, but if you need more or if you've misplaced them, let us know and we'll be happy to send you some more. In a pinch, you can use cable ties to secure guards temporarily. Keep in mind that cable ties don't work as well and won't last as long as the fastener pins. To remove fastener pins, use flush-cutting side cutters like these to clip the fastener tail flush with the flange. Pull flanges apart and cut flush again. Then remove the fastener head. For guards with a boss design instead of a flange, it's easiest to clip the fastener head first, then pull apart. Please don't use a knife to remove fasteners. One slip and you risk hurting yourself and damaging the guard. It's much safer and easier to use side cutters.